Hello everyone, my name is Bobby and I've been studying TAIE for half a year and I am the group leader of 3D Printing Club. Firstly, me myself is interested in 3D printing technology and I have a lot of experience in whether using 3D printing technology or studying 3D printing technology. When I came to TAIE, I found that the school is encouraging everyone to set up clubs, and I do think I can get this opportunity to set up my own club and share all the happiness to other people in our school. So there are two main challenges that we faced when we just set up the club. The first thing is the equipment. The second thing is the advertising of the club. And thanks to the school's faculty, I've tried to communicate with them, and they gave us a huge amount of support. And we've gained a classroom and a 3D printer for us to continue our club activity. And thanks to the school's counselors, they bring new students and advertise 3D printing clubs to all the students, and thus make 3D printing club a better club. I think 3D printing club in TAIE is a club that wants to share the happiness of 3D printing technology to everyone in the school. So we've actively participated in every school activities, such as Valentine's Day activities, New Year's gift activity. We try to make gifts for students made by 3D printers and make them a more memorable festival memory. And we're going to continue carry on our duty and spread the happiness of 3D printing to each of the students. Since the club's goal is to make everyone to have a better life using 3D printing technology, the moment I felt 3D Printing Club is an impactful club in TAIE is that when we for real use 3D printing technology to make other people's life better. Some examples is like we try to fix one of our school faculty's vacuum using 3D printing technology, and we designed a new tube for him to let him replace his old tube and make his vacuum reworking again. And in Valentine's Day, we try to make gifts for the students and teachers. When they saw the rose bear, they feel really grateful and they feel really happy. Maybe they will give the gift to their close friends, family, but that's the time that make us think 3D Printing Club is really making other people a better life.